One of the most important aspects of being a field service engineer is providing good customer service. In today's video, I talk about how you can improve your customer service as a field service engineer. Welcome back to Untitled Label, where we strive for greatness through optimization. I'm John, I'm a field service engineer, and on this channel, I talk about all aspects of being a field service engineer. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome, and I hope you get some kind of value out of this video. For those that are coming back, thank you so much for your support. If you haven't yet, consider clicking that subscribe button at the end of the video and smash that thumbs up button as well. This is a great way to support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything at all. Now, let's get into the video. I'll primarily focus on 3 topics. Those topics are empathy, problem solving, and communication. First topic I mentioned was empathy. This means understanding the customer and their needs. Understanding your customer base, knowing what they're using your instrument for, as well as kind of understanding the people is a great way to help build empathy. Oftentimes, these customers, you're going to be in communication with them. You're going to be setting up maintenance, setting up repairs with them. So it's important to maintain empathy as you understand your customer a little bit better. A good way to build empathy for your customer is to actually talk to them while you're on site. Kind of understand them a little bit outside of the job. Now, always keep it professional, but it helps to build a little bit of rapport with your customer. In stressful situations, this can make problem solving a lot easier as you guys kind of have a camaraderie working together to solve the issue. A friendly tip and a little icebreaker for dealing with customers when I am out of town, I'll usually ask them where they're from and what there is to do in the area. Not only does this topic kind of let me understand who they are as a person outside of work, but it's a good way to build common ground and find similar interests with the customer. When in my hometown, I try to find commonality by talking about either sports or local events that are kind of ongoing with the customer. The next skill to have to build and improve your customer service is good problem solving. Outside of working on the equipment for the customer, oftentimes they may reach out to you for simple questions that they may have regarding the instrument or even reports that you may have previously completed. Being able to provide those answers and provide that help to that customer is another great way to be a problem solver. This is most important when it comes to working on the equipment, especially when we're dealing with repairs. Your primary role as a field service engineer outside of doing maintenance is being able to do installs as well as repairs. Repairs do occur while you're on the job. You have to rely on your technical knowledge, your technical skills, as well as maybe even your fellow field service engineers to solve issues when it comes to the equipment. Being someone that the customer can regularly rely on when it comes to answering questions, fixing the equipment is going to only help you in the long run. The goal here necessarily isn't to know everything, rather know where to find the information. This next one may be the most important as it's extremely crucial for the job, and that is communication. As a field service engineer, to improve your customer service, you need good communication, not only with your customers, but as well as your fellow teammates. Good, quick, consistent communication ensures everyone knows what's going on and things are always moving forward. It's important to maintain good communication via emails, but it's also important to maintain good comms even in person. When you're on site, you want to maintain professional communication with the customer by giving a proper introduction as well as learning a little bit more about the equipment in case there's any details that may have been missed. During the service, try to keep the customer updated in case there's anything important that develops. Lastly, prior to departing, give the customer an update as well as follow up with the customer via email. Providing a report at the end is a great way to end the communication. If you're a fellow field service engineer and you have any friendly tips to add to this video, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it useful, consider subscribing if you haven't yet and smash that like button. With that said, I'll catch you on the next one.